Students, how to do this trigonometric question? I am showing cosecant A plus cot A equal to m. We have to show that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 equal to cos A we should show. I am starting with LHS, substituting the value of m here. So, cosecant A plus cot A whole square minus 1 by so here minus 1 is there, plus 1. So a plus b whole square I am expanding. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So cosecant square a plus 2 cosecant a into cot a plus cot square a minus 1 by cosecant square a plus so we know by identity cosecant square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. Okay. So 1 plus cot square a, here with this I am substituting cosecant square a. So in the numerator cosecant square a minus 1 I am clubbing. Okay. So cosecant square a minus 1 becomes cot square a. This I am substituting in the numerator part. So this cosecant square a minus 1 becomes cot square a. Remaining as it is 2 cosecant a cot square a by cosecant square a plus cosecant square a here. So here 2 cosecant square a, 2 cot square a. 2 cot a I am taking common here. So we will get cot a plus cosecant a. Here I am taking 2 cosecant a common. Cot a plus, see even you get cosecant a plus cot a because addition is commutative. You can again write like this. Cosecant a means 1 by sin a. Sin a cancels. You will get cos a, which is nothing but RHS. Okay. So, thank you for watching. I hope you understand the question clearly. Thank you.